when planning to buy a phone from 2024, 2025 and onwards, there are a number of factors that you need to consider, which will help in the security of your phone and also the well-functioning or the well-being of your phone and also your health. These factors are key, and I've made some here that you can consider when planning to buy a phone from now onwards, even to 2025 and beyond. This is based on the recent technology trend, and you must remember there are some technologies which are getting outdated while some are replacing them. Well, the factor that I say you should first consider is kids mode. Well, phones like Samsung and iPhone already have kids mode as default in the phone, and then some other also smartphone brands are already putting them as a default. Updates are rolling quick. So a phone coming in from 2025 or even now without kids mode is most likely not to be a original phone, because it is in obedience with the UK Technology Summit for phones to start considering kids mode, because people have learned in time that children can also access people's phone, and then if you leave your phone with the children, they are most likely to easily access websites or contents that they are not supposed to see, like pornography or violent graphics scenes or websites which may be deceptive and having some adult clues, things that the children should not get to know. The second thing is something which has been there already, that is quick share, but many people take it for granted. Well, those days we used to use flash share for sharing files across our devices. Then there came what is called CM share, CM file share. It has already relatively disappeared. Then also Xender came and replaced because most of us were in Uganda. People are using Techno, Infinix, those are Chinese brands. So they put some application, like they promoted the TikTok as default application in your phone. So that's how they promote it so quick. But then, very many phones already from Android Authority, from US, UK, and even from Asia or China, have come up with what is called quick share. It was an internal update to Androids which can support it. Quick share uses a combination of GPS, Bluetooth, and then hotspot or Wi-Fi to transfer your files, and it is the quickest ever file transfer method wireless from a phone to a phone. So you need to consider this. If a phone doesn't have quick share from now to 2025, if that brand is within this period, released within this period, and does not have quick share, a smartphone, then the brand is either fake or it is outdated. So you need to consider quick share to be in it. Well, the third one is AI, or artificial intelligence. Recently, for those who are using Android, you have seen Google have changed Google Assistant with what is called Gemini. Gemini is the Google form of artificial intelligence. You need this. If you still don't know, there are certain things that you need to do so quick. You don't need to know everything. So stick to the line of your expatriate and let the rest that you don't know, let AI complete for you. Now this is it. If a phone in line with Android Authority or iPhone also have their Apple AI. If they lack AI, there's a high possibility that that's an outdated phone if it is released in 2024 or released in 2025 onwards. most likely outdated or fake. This Gemini, say for Android, it's a very powerful artificial intelligence which is still in development. It promises a lot, like showing you what is on your screen, summarizing notes, which if you're in a hurry, you will not fall out. Then, for some of us who are diehards of Samsung, we have been using AI for so long. There is an AI which is called Bixby. Some people who don't use Samsung, they don't know it, but Bixby has been in existence, helping Samsung users. In fact, Samsung was there in AI and not talking about AI for so long. So you need to consider AI is one of the factors, the third one, but very key, important if you plan to buy a phone in 2025. Number 4, which is one of the most important factor, is eSIM. The world is really moving to a higher level of conservation. Plastic waste, that is from the cards in the SIM cards which are spoiled, they want to eliminate it. And also very tough security, as I told you earlier, that some upgrades will consider improvement in security of your phone. Now with eSIM, when you go, thank God Airtel in Uganda have already started issuing eSIM or serving phones that are compatible with eSIM numbers. I've seen phones like Infinix and some Techno have already adapted, and Samsung also have already adapted the eSIM technology. This one, you don't need to fake SIM card into your phone. You will just go and they scan for you into the slot of your phone virtually. So you go with your national ID, they scan for you, it captures the SIM that you want it to be in. That is the high MEI number of the SIM that you want to be, SIM 1 and SIM 2. All the phones that supports 2 SIM cards have 2 high MEI number, which they're all different. So if you put Airtel in the first one, you can put MTN in the second one. So that is eSIM. Now, eSIM, I already told you the first importance, that's environmental conservation, but the second most important one is the security. Why do I say security? If your phone is having eSIM, the number you are put in the eSIM can never be changed unless you're the one who go with the SIM with your phone and the ID to change it. Meaning if a thief is to steal your phone, the thief will not be able to run away from direct tracking of the SIM card. The thief will also not be able to use any other SIM card in the phone. So that is very, very important for security. So it's like if someone steals your phone, the person is most likely stealing your phone just to go and throw it away or to destroy it. Theft for usage will be stopped. So this is key, very important. Number 4, consider eSIM from now onwards. Well, at number 5, which is also very important, is the generation. We have gone to 5G. Yes, much as 5G has not yet covered across Uganda, but for computation, soon Airtel and MTN will roll out 5G across Uganda. In Uganda, 5G can only be in some parts of Kampala, which is the capital city, that is outside and fake Africans are. Yet countrywide people are already consuming internet, but they put at the capital city. That's how Africa has been trying to hold themselves backward. But then, not to worry much, 5G will roll out everywhere. This is another generation of high-speed internet meant to do a lot of things. That's the Internet of Things. You can control your fridge from home, you can control your smart screen, you can control your router, you can control a lot of things. Any smart device, smart speakers, smart home theater, you can control even when you're away using the 5G if you have it. Now, most of the phones will be coming with 5G. But there are still those old ones or fake ones in the market that may not support 5G. It may also write 5G but may not support it, meaning it is fake. So you need to verify if the 5G is true. Now, the reason as to why you need to consider 5G is the speed are changing. Now, if you are an digital consumer, we are thinking of 8K now, for example, for videos, even photos. Many websites will increase their size of the web to a higher capacity. Maybe if it was light, like 900 KB to 1.2 MB, they may go up to 20 MBs per one click for you to upload. These things are also having MBs. The one you click website to open, they also have MBs. So you need to You need to make sure that you upgrade together. And also this will also be something to those networking companies. They will have to reduce the cost of the internet, because the more speed, the more consumption, the faster it is, and the faster the MBs gets finished. So you need to consider 5G because it's a new technology and inevitable. You cannot run away from it. And number 6, it is what is called NFC. You have seen Airtel, MTN already paying mobile money. You pay goods using mobile money. You scan your mobile money and then you pay right away what you want to buy using the Airtel money and MTN in many shops. So this thing in future may be upgraded for you just to scan using what is called NFC. That is near field communication. You need this near field communication contactless to make contactless payments. Connect eye technology of headsets. For example, like this headset. This is a smart headset from JBL. You see, and another one is this one. Is a JBL speaker. So you need NFC for a lot of purposes and multiple use. You can also do your research to find out. That is near field communication for you to make contactless payment, connect to advanced or smart technology. You will need it so much. So please, you need to consider it when you're buying your next phone. Well, the last one is BLE, and that is Bluetooth Low Energy Technology. Bluetooth Low Energy Technology is an industry-leading firmware to a software connection of a wireless integration. It uses two things, Bluetooth and then GPS. So if your phone have GPS, of which all the phones have, and also Bluetooth, then you already have almost Bluetooth Low Energy, Bluetooth Low Energy, that is the BLE. So BLE is a wireless technology that allows devices to connect and exchange data in short bursts. So you need a phone that supports it. For example, I still get back to this this speaker. This speaker from JBL, that is JBL Charge, it is having an application, JBL application, but for you to connect this to this one, you remember now a speaker having a software, you control from its software. You can upgrade the system where you can download system firmware update into this speaker. The same with this headset. You can this one the JBL headphones. You see, you allow this. You see, it requires Bluetooth and this one. So when you connect the BLE, you can update the firmware of your speaker. You can download new firmware. You can upgrade. You can do more controls. You can switch off for the. I have a JBL party box, but it's in another room. So you can like turn off or switch off your speaker using just the application. When you have a product like JBL Batwa, when you're that side, imagine you just click from here like a remote, so it makes it more comfortable for you to enjoy your music. And even with the camera I'm using, you can turn off or turn on the camera using BLE, that is Bluetooth Low Energy Technology. Those are the 7 factors you need to consider when planning to buy a new phone 2025. You may not need this now, but you may need it in future. You may not need it, but may help a friend in future, at a function, in a home party, or anywhere else. These are essentials for your phone security and also the comfortability of using your phone. Thank you so much. And if we should continue with technological vlogs, let me know in the comment section so that we continue coming up with this research that will impact how you interact with your technological or daily technological needs. Thank you.